to sign up for Betterment. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. Go to Betterment's website. Here you'll find this kind of screen. To sign up, press on sign up at the bottom right corner of your screen. After you've clicked on sign up, you'll find this kind of screen. From here, select the type of account you want for your Betterment. After you've selected the account, it will lead you to this page. Here, add your email address and press on continue. After you've pressed on continue, it will lead you to this page. Here, email address verification will be sent. Open your Gmail, copy the code sent by Betterment, go to Betterment's website, paste the code and press on continue. Then, create a password for your login. After you've created a password, press on continue. Now, add your legal first name and legal last name and press on continue. After you've pressed on continue, it will lead you to this page. Here, add your phone number. After you've added your phone number, press on continue at the bottom and your account will be created. And after that, you're good to go. This is how to sign up for Betterment. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.